Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to learn about the perimeter and area of a triangle. So let us consider a triangle ABC with sides AB equals to A units, BC equals to B units and AC equals to C units. Then its perimeter will be sum of its sides, that is A plus B plus C units. That means if A, B, C are given in centimeter, then perimeter will also be in centimeter, and if they are given in meter, it will be in meter. Now the semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter is half of the perimeter. That means A plus B plus C divided by 2 will give us the semi-perimeter, and it is denoted by the letter S. The same thing here also. It will have the same units as A, B and C. Now to find the area of this triangle, for that we have to do a small construction. We'll have to draw the height or altitude of the triangle. So I have drawn AD, a line perpendicular at BC and passing through the vertex A. Then AD is called the altitude or height of the triangle, and the corresponding side BC or the opposite side to the vertex is called the base. Then the area of this triangle will be given by half into base into height square units. That means if the sides are given in centimeter, the area will be centimeter square or square units. Now what if we do not know the height, but we know the sides A, B, C? Then to find the area, we can use the Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area is equals to semi-perimeter into the difference between the semi-perimeter and the first side multiplied to difference between the semi-perimeter and the second side multiplied to difference between semi-perimeter and the third side. Everything under the root. Now let's look at other things that we will require while solving problems based on perimeter and area of triangle. The first such things is Pythagoras theorem. What is a Pythagoras theorem? It is a theorem connecting the different sides of a right angled triangle. So I have taken here a right angled triangle PQR, where Q is the right angle or the 90 degree. Then the side opposite to the right angle is the longest side, and it is known as the hypotenuse, and it is denoted by H. One of the sides is called the base, denoted by B, and the third side is called the perpendicular, denoted by P. Then what does Pythagoras theorem say? It says that the square of the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So this is called the Pythagoras theorem. Now let us look at some special types of triangles and then look at their perimeter and area. Now I have taken first the right angled triangle, which is this one only. Then its perimeter will be the sum of its sides, that means perpendicular plus base plus hypotenuse. That's simple. What about its area? To find its area, we require base into height. So base we already know. The height is nothing but the perpendicular itself. So we need not do any more construction here. Height is already there. So the area will be half into base into height, which is QR into PQ. Now QR and PQ are the sides containing the right angle. So we can write its area as half into product of the sides containing it, right? It's right. Now let's look at an equilateral triangle. A triangle where all the sides are equal. So I have considered a triangle ABC whose sides are equal in length and it is equals to A units. Then its perimeter will be A plus A plus A is equals to 3A units. Now if I construct a perpendicular on the side BC and passing through A, then it will be the height of the triangle. And suppose AD is the height of triangle equal to h units, then this D divides the side BC into two equal parts, and each part will be A by 2 and A by 2. Now, in the triangle ABD, this angle is 90 degree, so it forms a right angle triangle. Therefore, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out what is the value of AD or H. And it comes to root over 3 divided by 2 into A. Then we can now find out the area using the formula area is equals to half into base into height. So in this case, area is half into base is BC, height is AD. Base we know from here to here is A, and height AD is root 3 by 2, which we can obtain using the Pythagoras theorem. So when we simplify, then we get the area is equals to root 3 by 4A square units. Similarly, if we consider an isosceles triangle, an isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two sides are equal. So I have taken a triangle ABC, and let us suppose, it may not look like, but let us suppose that AB and AC are equal in length and it is equals to A, and the third side BC is B units. Then its perimeter will be A plus B, that is 2A plus B units, and its area will be half B into 4A square minus B square under root square units. Here also we have obtained it using the Pythagoras theorem like we did in equilateral triangle. So these are the formulas.